Before I start this video, let me take 30 seconds to tell you something about Exergic. Exergic is India's most trusted and most experienced institute for online GATE preparation. I am Chandresh Mahajan, founder and chief educator at Exergic. I am an All India rank 37 in GATE Mechanical Engineering, an ex-Indian Oil officer having 7+ years of teaching experience as of now. These are the GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering toppers from Exergic. You can find their preparation strategy on Exergic's website. To know more about our GATE courses, you can visit our website or contact us on these details. Also, you can download Exergic GATE Preparation app from Google Play Store. The link is available in the description of video. Hello dear students, welcome to Exergic. If you have been following me on social media, you might be knowing that I put a lot of attention to how you plan your preparation and specifically how you plan your day, on your day-to-day preparation. I want aspirants to be active on a regular basis when preparing for any exam. But the problem is many aspirants lose momentum, they lose the motivation to study and to be regular in their exam preparation, right? Even after knowing everything, even after knowing that yes, we need to be regular, we have to crack this exam, still they start lagging behind the schedule given to them or the schedule that they are following. In this video, I am going to share one tip with you which is very easy to implement but extremely powerful, that will make sure that you are regular in your studies and on day-to-day basis you are giving your 100%. Look, the reason why people get up in the morning and go to work is because they have a limited time. Suppose if humans were staying young forever, they were young forever, for unlimited time they were young, would they bother working hard? Would they bother getting up in the morning and working? No. They have lakhs and thousands and crores of years to live young. Why would they bother? They will just relax, eat, sit back, chill, right? But the reason why we work is because we have limited energy, limited youth, limited time on earth. And understanding this is the key to your preparation, that your time is limited. You must have a sense of urgency. You cannot choose not to study for 3 days, 4 days and think that I will just pick up from 6th day and I will work twice as hard. That's not how life works. That's not how GATE and any other such competitive exam is going to work. You need to be regular and active on day-to-day basis, even if you don't want it, even if you don't want to study. Still, some work, some study you have to put in. But how do you ensure that happens? Look, when there were, in the last year of my GATE preparation, because I prepared for GATE with the college, and in the final attempt I cracked, means with the final year I cracked the GATE with 37 rank. So I used a lot of things, I changed strategies and I observed what was working, what was not working. And there is one thing that I did which helped me a lot. Although I was very disciplined, but at the same time, one tip that I am going to share with you that helped me a lot. And this is something that I have already told to the students of Exergic. The students on YouTube might not be knowing it, but those who are enrolled with Exergic, I have already shared this with them. You have to make a countdown. What I did, that on a paper, I wrote the number of days left for GATE in descending order. 120, 119, 118, 117, in the descending order like this. And every day I used to cross physically with pen and paper, I used to cross one day. And I used to keep that countdown on my bed under my pillow. My roommates knew about this. So under my pillow I used to keep it. And every night when I used to go to sleep, I would cross one day. It's very important. It's very important whether you cross it on night or on morning. As an aspirant, I'm telling you. Because if you cross it in the night and you have not studied that day, listen, you have spent today's day, no study, time pass, time waste. While going to bed, you crossed today's day and you will see how much days are left, and one day you wasted. You will really feel bad. You will really feel bad. If you are a genuine aspirant, you will feel bad. You might study after that. You might study 2-3 hours before sleeping after that, because you will cross it and you will see that today was a waste, right? Or you will think that no, I don't have to sleep 8 hours, 9 hours. I must sleep 6 hours. I'm not saying that sleep 2 hours, 3 hours. That's not the way to prepare for exams. At least 6 to 7 hours you should sleep. As an aspirant, I'm telling you. So you will make sure that you will not sleep excess, and you will next day you will wake up on time and you will be on your toes. This single habit is so important that I cannot tell you. And I'm not talking about the digital countdown telling you how many days are left. You don't get that feel with the digital countdown. If you have such a physical countdown, and when you cross it, when every night you will cross it, you will keep crossing it. As more and more days will pass, you will keep crossing it. And as you will keep cutting it, it will also give you a visual perspective that how much days have been gone. इसको कट करते रहोगे तो दिखेगा कि यार 1/3 ऑलमोस्ट चला गया. अभी तो मैंने स्टार्ट ही किया था काउंटडाउन बनाना. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड एंड ऑलमोस्ट 1/3 टाइम इज गॉन, राइट? सो दिस गिव्स यू अ गुड विजुअल पर्सपेक्टिव आल्सो, व्हिच गिव यू अ किक, सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी इट क्रिएट्स इन योर माइंड, है ना? It's very important to note how you are using a countdown. Don't use the digital countdown. Again, I am saying, use a physical one. You can make your own simple pen and paper. You can write down the number, or you can use this PDF. I have highlighted some key numbers here. Download the PDF from the description of the video. And you can either take this printout of the PDF, or in your system also, tablet, laptop, whatever you have, you can use the pen tool to keep crossing it. But the point is, use your finger either from a pen or from mouse to cut it. That will give you the kick. Got it? For those of you who are in GATE, who are aspiring for more further GATE, which might be 1 year later or 1.5 year later, I won't recommend making a 300-day timeline or 300-day countdown, because when you have that long countdown, you cut 1 or 2 days, it don't give you a feel. Here, when you cut 10-20 days, you will get a feel that, oh, time is going. I have this much time left and that much is gone, right? Making this long countdown will not give you a kick. That's why I am recommending to divide the number of days into chunk of 120 days only, right? And accordingly, you can cut it. If you want to make it of 100 days, obviously you can cross these two and make it a 100-day countdown, right? But divide that into 120-day chunks, 120-day periods, even if you have GATE after 2 years, after 1 year. So this is something that I want all of you to start, and you can definitely share your experience with me. You can let me know that how it worked, or what benefits you get from this. I will really be happy to know that, because I personally implemented this in my GATE preparation journey. I wish you all the best.